Yeah, but the te has two little strokes.
Oh,
there,
well,
so
I
it's
don't
a
see that. It's too
de.
small.
Yeah.
It's too small.
Well, you can tell there's something there.
I can see the kanji. Desu?
Ku?
Ku? Re?
No?
No?
Girl, you could guess already. What might it be?
Desu.
Ku?
Desu. Ku. Desu ku. Oh, desku topu.
Yeah, desku topu. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
She's Japanese. She's a weeb.
I'm not a weeb. I'm not
Toba
Japanese.
weeb.
No.
Ah,
I could really swear at you, but I don't wanna.
Do it. Do it. Give me your best swear in Japanese.
Kasu.
My best is
No.
Whoa. What were you gonna say, huh?
I don't know. What was I gonna say? Okay, here's a good swear in Japanese. Cecilia! Omae! Omae! 一緒にモルティブ行け!
Nein!
Hast du's rausgehört? Yeah, thank you.
Try again.
Okay. Try again? You want me to invite you more or insult you more?
Insult me more. Both.
I can insult you in English.
Yeah, do it then. Do it.
You suck! You... No, now I feel bad again. You suck! Fuck you! You stupid bitch! Wait, insult me too, otherwise I'm gonna look so evil.
You...
Oh yeah, right, you can't think of anything. Oh, you're so pure and innocent.
You...
You can tell there's something there. You can tell there's something there. You can tell there's something there. You can tell there's something there.